What is going on, everybody? That guy Kai back at it with another personal finance and credit YouTube video. Today we are going to be going over how to never miss a credit card payment. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you 3 ways to never miss this payment if you're new to credit or if you're already having established credit and just want to make sure you never miss a payment. Payment history is 35% of your credit report, so it's going to be a very big chunk. This is why you're not going to want to ever miss a payment. Okay, so the first way to never miss a payment that we're going to be going over is to pay off your credit card as you make charges to it. This way of doing it is going to require a little more interaction from you as far as checking up on the app or logging in multiple times a day, depending on your spending habits. And for all these examples, we're going to go with your payment due date is going to be at the end of the month, so the 30th or the 31st. So let's say you buy one thing every day. What you can do is let's say you buy a Kit Kat every single day of the month. After that Kit Kat reports to the credit card that you made this purchase, what you can do is you make a payment, go, hey, pay off this $1, click submit. Boom. So now you're back at a $0 limit, and you just do that every single day or every single time that you buy an item. You just go in right after. Sometimes it might take a day or two to post. You go into the app, boom, submit the payment for however much that item was. And you can stay on top of not missing payments doing it that way because you're just constantly on it as soon as you buy anything. I would recommend doing it this way if you don't buy many things per month on that credit card. So if you use that credit card maybe 3 or 4 times a month, going in 2 days after it posts to your credit card, making a payment for however much that costed could be an easy way to never miss a payment. All right, so the second way to never miss a credit card payment is to change your payment due date. What do I mean by this? With some credit card lenders, they actually give you the option a couple of times a year or an unlimited amount of times you can change when your payment due date is on. So for the example that we gave earlier where your payment due date is at the end of the month, let's say you only get paid once a month and it's at the beginning of the month. So now you have to make sure that you keep enough money for the whole entire month to pay off whatever your credit card bill is at the end of the month. Or instead, what you can do is instead of having your payment due date be at the end of the month, you can call them up or do it over the app, depending on whatever lender you use, and ask them to change that payment due date to the 5th of the month. So first day of the month, your income comes in, let's say it's $2,000. The 5th of the month, that is when your payment due date is. So you're gonna have the available funds to pay off your credit card bill for that month. So that would be another way to do it. I would recommend this way if you don't have consistent income, or if you only get paid a couple of times per month. You want to make sure that that credit payment due date is closer to when you have available funds and not closer to the time where you won't have available funds. All right, so the third way to never miss a credit card payment is to set up automatic payments with your credit lender. This by far is going to be the easiest way to stay on top of your payments. This is the way I personally do it, so it ensures that I never miss a payment. How this works, you can set up a automatic payment through the app with your credit lender, or you can call them up and ask them to set it up for you. And you can set up this automatic payment to hit 3 to 5 days before your payment due date is in. Why I use this way, it's the easiest. You don't have to do much. It's a one-time setup thing. Once you set it up, it's always gonna be there. And also, to make sure that you always have available funds, I link my automatic payment to my savings account just so I can make sure that it will always have money to make the full payment and not in my checking. Let's say maybe I had $50 and my bill was $70. I don't want to have an overdraft fee hit my checking account because that just would not be worth it. So third and final way, set up automatic payments. Set it up 3 to 5 days before your payment due date and make sure that it's coming out of an account with money in it. So this is gonna be the 3 ways that I recommend to never miss a credit card payment. Gonna be dropping another video tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Tried to make this as quick as possible. I gotta go to work in like 10 minutes, so this is a before work video. Again, if you like the content, like, subscribe, share with anyone you think this might help. 50,000 subscribers before March 2021 is the goal. I will talk to you guys later. Peace.